Have you ever met someone who is just so magnetic that you just instantly love them? Let's talk about it. Hey guys, my name is Celine Noel, and it's my passion to help you become the best version of yourself inside and out. Now in today's video, I wanted to talk about something that I am very passionate about, and I really feel like beauty is so much more than having a pretty face and taking care of yourself and all of that stuff, and that is important. But what's more important is who you are on the inside, and that naturally makes you a more beautiful person. So today I wanted to talk about something called charisma. Now, charisma is interesting. Some people believe that you either have it or you don't, which I don't think is true. I think it is a skill, and it may come more naturally to others, just like some people are born with those natural strengths, but I do believe it is something that can be learned. So in today's video, I wanted to share with you 3 tips you can use to be a more charismatic person. And being charismatic is just about being likable and loved and expressing love to others. And I feel like that's what the heart of it really is. And I've had a lot of people comment on my charisma, and it's not something I've always been. I don't feel like I've always been a charismatic person, but like the older I get, the more I feel like I am. And people will come up to me and say, wow, Celine, people just love you, or I just feel like I have lots of friends and I connect really well with people, and so I kind of want to share some of those tips that I have with you guys today. So with that being said, let's jump right in. The first tip when it comes to being charismatic is to focus on others. When you focus on yourself, you can come across as vain and self-centered, and nobody wants that. And so I actually read Winning with People by John C. Maxwell. And in that book, he talks about a woman he met, and he gives this example of charismatic people. When they walk into a room, they go, oh, there you are, versus when a self-centered person walks into a room, they walk in and say, here I am, like, here I am. I think of like Gaston from Beauty and the Beast. He's not charismatic, he's just self-centered and just, oh, so vain. But a charismatic person is not like that at all. They're likable, but it's because they focus on you and they genuinely like you and want to get to know you. So the first step when it comes to being more charismatic and likable is just to focus on others and give your love and attention to them, and they will reciprocate by being magnetic and kind of drawn into you, which is such a cool thing, and really it's a win-win for both people. So that is definitely the first thing I can give you. The second tip I have when it comes to being charismatic is to be positive and upbeat. When you're not positive and you're just down in the dumps and you focus on all the bad things in life and pessimistic, nobody's gonna want to be around you. You're just a poor loser and someone that no one wants to talk to. So just be positive, focus on the good in a situation, and if you ever find someone who isn't being positive, just politely remove yourself from that situation and surround yourself with people who are going to uplift you, because that is very important as well. If you hang out with a bunch of people who kind of have this negative mindset, their negativity is going to drain the life out of you. So it's okay to respect those people, but just distance yourselves from them. The third tip I have when it comes to being charismatic is to be a really good communicator. Charismatic people learn how to talk and communicate and to do it well. A charismatic person doesn't mumble or, they talk really animatedly and use different tones in their voice. And that's something easy you can learn how to do. Now, charismatic people also make really good eye contact when they're talking to somebody. They don't look around the room and like act bored and wish they were somewhere else. They're excited and animated and so happy to see you. So if you are wanting to be more charismatic, just try to communicate better and more clearly, be more articulate with your words, which is something we all gotta work on. I mean, I try. Sometimes I mumble, but we try. And just really focus your attention on them. So basically at the end of the day, it's just about being positive and happy and magnetic. And another thing I just thought of too, by the way, is being confident. Now, charismatic people are confident, but not cocky. There's a huge difference. They're proud of themselves and they are really confident and they have good self-esteem and they're happy to be there, but they're not down on themselves. And so it's important to be confident, but don't be afraid of being vain, because if you're confident, you're not gonna be vain, because there's a difference. Some people are just self-centered, but charisma is more about focusing on others and being confident with yourself and being positive. So just remember those 3 things, and I guarantee that is gonna help you be more charismatic and likable. And at the end of the day, it's just really about loving others. Just have love everywhere you go. I think that's a Mother Teresa quote, that just have love for other people and focus on the positive things in life. And I think I should stop talking now. But thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you got something beneficial out of it, and I hope it really helps you be more charismatic and to establish really good relationships with other people. Because at the end of the day, that's what life is about, right? Giving to people and creating great relationships, because it's so enriching and it makes life so much more interesting. So thanks so much for watching. If you have any comments or interesting things, nice things to say, please leave them down below, and be sure to like this video and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!